Hello everybody, it is Thursday and that means it is
Cheese of the Week!
Cheese of the Week, and it's a very exciting Cheese of the Week. Wait, Cheese of the Week is always exciting.
It is.
Eating cheese is good.
It is. And this is a great way to introduce our keto followers to some new and exciting cheeses to add some pizzazz to their keto diet.
Although actually, if you're not keto, you're low carb, or actually if you're anything and you've got into a bit of a food rut, cheese is a fantastic way to seriously up your daily grind, because cheese is fabulous. And a lot of people, particularly in America, I've noticed, they have their mozzarella and they have their jack and they have their cheddar, and they kind of rotate. Bit of parm maybe thrown in there, but they kind of rotate around those three. But there's a whole world of cheeses out there that can really, just by changing up your cheese, you can really change up your meals, your life. Yay! Yay cheese!
Yay cheese!
And today, I'm very excited because a few episodes ago, don't remember how many episodes ago, we had mozzarella burrata, and we basically talked about mozzarella burrata for about 68 weeks because it was fan-freaking-tastic.
It was.
So how excited do you think we were when we found, tada, burrata with flavor? So this is Italian-style meats flavor. It's a mozzarella pouch stuffed with creamy, cheesy filling. And if that doesn't sound good to you, I have no idea why you're watching this show. Yes, ready to eat, no cooking needed. Fresh mozzarella and ricotta cheese, pasteurized milk and cream, vinegar, vegetable enzymes, salt, and then it has prosciutto, pork and salt. It has sopressata, pork, salt. Leave the cat alone. Pay attention.
I didn't do anything. I was just trying to get her not to take the...
Priscilla!
That's what I was trying to do.
You weren't very effective.
No, but I was trying not to interrupt your cheese presentation, so I was trying to do it without, like, yelling.
Yeah, it didn't work, did it?
No.
No. Okay, so sopressata, pork, salt, spices, red wine, blah-de-blah, cheesy things, herbs and spices. It does have a little bit of canola oil, so if you're like hardcore clean ingredients, you might want to leave this alone.
Which is unfortunate because I try not to eat any of those vegetable oils at all, but sometimes they sneak in.
Especially if you buy them, cut them up and put them in your mouth.
Yeah.
So this is FormaggioCheese.com. It's their burrata with flavour. If you object to a few drops of canola oil, this is not for you. But that's okay, because there's plenty more that are.
So I actually, after the last time we had burrata, because before I've never heard of burrata until we did a Cheese of the Week on the burrata. And I actually looked up online and found a video of a cheese maker in Italy making burrata, and it's a pretty fascinating process. They stretch the mozzarella out instead of making it into little wheels or balls like you would typically see the mozzarella. They stretch the mozzarella out almost like kind of like a pizza dough. And then they wrap and they make little mozzarella strings to tie off the top. It's kind of cool looking.
Okay, I don't know how well you can see this, but how cute is this? See,
It's like a little Christmas present.
They've taken the mozzarella and they've made a little pouch. And they've even tied it with mozzarella string. Is that not adorable?
It is very cool.
Adorable. You see, and most of your canola oil is in there. Okay, I was going to do it with a spoon, but I think actually I'm going to... Oh, it's very soft. You don't think it's going to be, but it is. There.
Alrighty.
Oh, this is going to be such a winner.
Is it?
I'm like, if I have one piece, I might want to eat the whole thing. Oh, yeah.
You know who would love this?
Oh, who?
Carl.
Cousin Carl.
Carl would love this. Hi, Carl.
Oh, that's horrible.
There's a bit of a woody hint coming off of it from the herbs, and it's the ricotta itself is very sweet, not extremely sweet, but it definitely has a sweetness to it, and the mozzarella on the outside is very delicious. Has that infusion from the herb flavors, almost like a sweet pizza. A little bit of like focaccia tends to be a little bit more spicy. Whenever I've had it, maybe there's a sweet version, but it has that kind of focaccia herby flavor to it.
This is delicious. I would not eat it all the time because somehow if you ate it all the time, it would cease to be as delicious. I would totally buy this for high days and holidays, and delicious. Delicious! I'm actually nervous that I'm going to consume the entire thing right now.
Are you?
So I'm just going to admire it. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Do you agree, Mr. Parker?
I do.
It's okay if you don't.
I do. And honestly, too, if you're doing game day, we got, while we're filming this, Super Bowl is going to be coming up in about a month, a little over a month.
Unless you're watching this in March.
Yeah.
And then it's coming up in 11 months.
But if you wanted to do like some cool game day foods and you wanted that kind of pizza flavor and that type of thing, this would be a great hors d'oeuvre type thing to put out and have like some spoons and maybe some keto crackers, or maybe get some of Julie's Foxhill bagels or something like that to put a little bit on. Huh? Are you? It is really good.
That is so good. So good. So good. Okay.
Now, if we can get them to make it with real olive oil instead of canola,
that would be fantastic.
Yes.
Until then, have it as a treat. Enjoy it on a high day and a holiday. And we will see you back here next Thursday for
Cheese of the Week.
Cheese of the Week.
And before we go, make sure that you hit that like, subscribe, and the little alert bell so that when new videos come out, you get notified. And you can check out our next cheese adventure when Double O Queso over here tracks down some awesome cheese.
But you can also watch our cooking skills video if you're very new to the kitchen, and or if you're not. And also our recipe videos, and then the Fatty Joe Show podcast is also a thing. So Mr. Buttersworth, aka Buster, wanted to say hi, so here he is. And that's it for this week.
By the way, if you wanted to learn how to make an awesome keto grilled cheese, we got a video for that too.
We do. We have a video for that. So check out the links below, go look at another video, but we'll see you back next week for the next episode of
Cheese of the Week.
Cheese of the Week.